your helmet and the bike.
Thanks, man.
How are you?
I appreciate it.
You know? Tell me make model of your bike.
Oh, it's a 2016
16?
Zxr6.
Zxr6. Okay.
Sir.
Did you get it brand new or did you?
No.
You
I
bought it used?
Yep.
Is this your first bike or what?
Yep.
That's your first bike?
Yeah, it is.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank
You know? You guys are next to each other who are like first time bikers, you know what I mean?
Okay.
You know?
Okay.
You know? Wow. Yeah, I see you got the mounts and all that
Oh, yeah.
for video. This is my channel. I'm gonna like put things. Hi, how are you?
Hey, all right.
Good. Tell me the make model of your bike.
It's an 06
Yes?
883 Sportster.
Ah, 883 Sportster. Is this your first bike?
Scooter. No, I've had about 5 different bikes.
5 different bikes.
Yeah,
You've been riding for a long time? How long you been riding?
Since I was 16,
16? Okay.
started out with a homemade mini bike with a 5 horsepower lawnmower engine, 20-inch bike.
Yeah. Mostly Harley? Is
Oh,
that
no,
what?
no, I got Honda, mainly Hondas.
Hondas and all that? Yeah.
I
Good.
had it all state booked at. That's one of my first.
Oh wow. Is this your first event?
No, no.
You come here a lot?
I only live about 4 miles from here.
Oh, so you come here every time they have it
just
every
about,
Sunday?
yeah.
Just
Yeah.
about every Sunday?
This is one of the biggest.
Right? Yeah. The events wise, yeah, they are the biggest, yeah.
It's really nice.
If you scan, I'm gonna put you on there.